Welcome to the ultimate Sami Dolls Baby Doll collection. In this video we're sewing a beanie for the baby doll. The needed materials are listed here. The link to the pattern is in the video description. We start by folding the beanie top pieces in half and closing the side seams. On one side we only need to close the upper side seam, and we're going to leave a turning hole open in the lining fabric. Then we fold the side seams on top of each other and sew along the rounded top part of the beanie. Next we turn the lining fabric right sides out and put it inside the outer beanie, right sides facing. Now we fold the brim in half and close the open side edge. We then fold the fabric again so that the raw edges align and the right side of the fabric is facing outwards. We then pin the brim in between the inner and outer beanie so that the raw edges all align. You might have to stretch the brim evenly so that it lines up with the width of the inner and outer beanie pieces. Next we sew all the way around the bottom edge, sewing all layers of fabric together. We turn the beanie inside out through the turning hole. We close the turning hole either by hand or with a sewing machine. Stick the inner beanie inside the outer one, and then our beanie is done.